ambassadors. Good morning, everyone. Hi. Alam mo ba walang energy? Hello. Hi. More energy. Hello. Ayun, mabuhay. Pareho po. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. My name is Kuya Boy, and I am your animal. Okay, my name is Kuya Boy. I'm your host, and this is your Keeper Talk. Now, I have some background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005. And we are in coordination with the DNR, DOP, and BDI. Now, as a way of saying thank you for being with us in this rock-living morning, we brought you a show where you will meet our animal ambassadors. Let's get your free selfies after the show. But before that, I have some friendly reminders for you to follow muna. So una sa mga tayo po, upo lang po tayo. And guys, do not attempt to capture our animals while the show is ongoing po. Second, for those who are eating, I'm so sorry, can't we finish it up or finish it later after the show. And lastly, for those who take photos or videos of our animals, bawal po ang camera. Joke lang guys, pwede po ang camera. However, kindly disable lang po sa flash. Okay? Because our animals here is light sensitive. So, double-check na po natin ang ating mga cameras. Okay? Sir, pag-check sa flash po, sir. Yung flash po natin. Yes. Alright. Okay, pwede po ang camera, ha? Now guys, the reason that we're scared, okay, wala na tayo. At mukhang ready na po ang ating first animal ambassador. The question is, are you ready to meet your first animal ambassadors? Okay, one more. Nabigyan nyo ako naman sa energy. Are you ready to meet your first animal ambassadors?
Yes!
Okay, now guys, let's meet our first animal ambassador. At pinagtatawagin, ang cute na cute na si Jack Jack, our proud baby guy. Alright, nabuyasan rin. Pangalan natin. Jack Jack. Yes. And most that is Jack Jack, our brown baby guy, or also known as the Balu. Now, brown baby guy is a bird of prey or raptor. Raptor came from Latin word rapir, meaning to seize or to drag away. As you notice po, Kuya Cyril natin is wearing a protective glove because all raptors have sharp and powerful talons. Now, raptors guys practice kleptoparasitism. Kleptoparasitism is the food from the other animals. So, kumuha sila ng pagkain from the other animals po. Now, folks, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors. But here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors, namely the Brahmini kite, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, and the grass owl. And that's all for Jack Jack, folks. Palakpakan po natin sila. At syempre ako ng pogi trainer na si Kuya Cyril. And now, before we proceed sa ating next animal ambassador, we would like to acknowledge the New Life Learning Center. Asan sila? Alright.